Solar panels are a clever invention that has revolutionized the way we think about energy. They transform sunlight directly into electricity, providing a renewable source of power. This is possible because of special materials inside the panels called solar cells, which are the heart of the technology. These cells are usually made from silicon, a common and abundant element. Silicon is a semiconductor, which means it can conduct electricity under certain conditions, making it ideal for solar cells. Each solar cell is made of 2 layers of silicon, carefully engineered to work together. One layer is called the N-type. It has extra electrons, which are negatively charged particles. The other layer is called the P-type. It has spaces for electrons called holes, which are positively charged. When sunlight hits the solar cell, it knocks electrons loose from the silicon atoms, creating free electrons. These freed electrons are attracted to the holes in the P-type layer, causing them to move. This movement of electrons creates an electrical current which can be harnessed for power. It's like a chain reaction set off by sunlight, continuously generating electricity as long as the sun shines. This simple yet ingenious process is how solar panels harness the sun's energy to power our homes and businesses, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. It is a clean and sustainable way to generate electricity, contributing to a greener and more sustainable future for all. The sun is an incredible source of energy, providing us with an abundance of power every single day. It bathes the Earth in more energy than we could ever use in our lifetimes. In fact, just 1 hour of sunlight contains enough energy to power the entire world for a year, highlighting its immense potential. This makes solar energy a very attractive option for meeting our growing energy needs and reducing our carbon footprint. Solar panels are also very long-lasting, often functioning efficiently for over 25 years. They have no moving parts, so there is less that can wear out, making them a reliable source of energy. This means that once you install solar panels, they can provide clean energy for decades with minimal maintenance. Many countries are already seeing the benefits of solar energy, with significant reductions in their energy costs. Solar farms are popping up all over the world, from deserts to urban rooftops. These farms are helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and combat climate change. In many places, solar energy is now the cheapest form of electricity, making it an economically viable option for the future. Despite its enormous potential, there are challenges to relying solely on solar energy. One challenge is that sunlight is not evenly distributed across the planet. Some places are simply sunnier than others. Another challenge is that sunlight is intermittent. The sun doesn't shine at night, and cloudy days can significantly reduce solar power output. This means we need efficient ways to store solar energy for when the sun isn't shining. Additionally, while solar panel technology has come a long way, it is not perfectly efficient. Current solar panels can only convert a portion of the sunlight that hits them into electricity. The future of solar energy is bright, with endless possibilities on the horizon. Scientists and engineers are constantly working to improve solar panel technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. They are developing new materials that are more efficient at converting sunlight into electricity, making solar power more viable for widespread use. New innovations are addressing the challenge of intermittency, ensuring that solar energy can be harnessed even in less than ideal weather conditions. Advanced battery storage systems are becoming increasingly affordable, making it easier to store and utilize solar energy. This will allow us to store excess solar energy generated during the day and use it at night or during cloudy periods, ensuring a consistent energy supply. As solar technology continues to advance and become more affordable, it will play an increasingly vital role in the global shift towards cleaner and more sustainable energy sources, benefiting both urban and rural communities. It offers a brighter future for our planet, paving the way for a cleaner, greener world for generations to come.